Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you these kitchen shears. These are really great quality, lightweight kitchen shears. They are thin, which is really good for cutting through meat. They are nice and sharp, so you'll have no issue with cutting through anything in your kitchen. Here is the cover for it, and what I really appreciate about this being a mom is that it comes with a cover for my kids and it doesn't easily come off. All you have to do is pull it, but it doesn't slide right off. So I really like these shears, and I'm going to show you these guys in action. So I've got my rotisserie chicken here, and I'm just going to cut it up so that I can add it on top of a pizza. And I want you to see how quickly and easily those cut through the meat. And I'm only doing this with one hand just to show you how simple it is. These are amazing shears. I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.